You still look like a boy, even though you hit your 20s. Soft jawline, sleepy eyes, weak posture. You don't realize it yet, but these small things scream low status. But here's the truth. You can fix it. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 hidden aesthetic shifts that separate the average guy from the masculine, high-status man. These are the real looksmaxxing secrets no one tells you. Until now. 1. The jawline lock-in. Consequence: your jawline is the first thing people subconsciously judge. If it's soft or undefined, you instantly lose dominance points. Fat storage and mouth breathing kill your facial harmony and puff up your lower face. Simple fix. Start tongue posture mewing, not the TikTok version, the real one. Full tongue on the palate, closed mouth, nasal breathing every single hour. Drink through a straw or from bottles to naturally train your jaw muscle engagement. Cue a side-by-side visual of soft versus defined jawline. Forget those chin straps. They're gimmicks. Muscle activation and body fat reduction are what actually define your jaw. 2. Eye contact mastery. Hunter eyes energy. Consequence: you avoid eye contact, your eyes drift, and people feel your uncertainty. That kills dominance instantly. Your eyes tell everyone if you're prey or predator. Simple fix. Train neutral gaze. Stop widening your eyes or squinting. Keep a calm, forward-facing hunter gaze. You can literally reshape your facial energy in 2 weeks with this habit. Show before anxious eyes versus after confident hunter eyes. I've linked the blue light blocking glasses I use in the description. They help reduce puffiness and keep your gaze sharp. 3. The neck factor, the most ignored area. Consequence: a skinny neck destroys your masculine frame. It makes even a solid jawline look weak. Plus, bad posture shortens your neck and messes with your breathing patterns. Simple fix. Train neck flexion and extension. 2 minutes daily with resistance bands or a neck harness. You'll be shocked how this one muscle group multiplies your masculine silhouette. Cue before, after side profile comparison. And no, neck rollers from TikTok are useless. Real hypertrophy beats gimmicks. 4. Fixing your sleep-deprived face. Consequence: tired eyes, dull skin, puffy cheeks. All of this screams boyish energy. Sleep deprivation raises cortisol and destroys your collagen levels. No amount of grooming can fake real recovery. Simple fix. Stick to a strict circadian rhythm. Sleep by 11 p.m., wake up by 7 a.m. Add magnesium glycinate plus, cold showers to reset your nervous system. I've added my recommended magnesium brand in the description. It is the only one that actually absorbs properly. Show sleep-deprived versus rested face contrast. 5. Stop mouth breathing, the silent face killer. Consequence: mouth breathing elongates your face, weakens your jawline, and ruins facial symmetry. It's literally the difference between a boy face and a god face. Simple fix. Train nasal breathing 24/7. Tape your mouth at night if needed. Yes, it works. In 2 weeks, your mid-face tightens, your under-eye bags reduce, and your energy levels skyrocket. Forget face yoga. It's all placebo. Airflow patterns define bone structure, not random poses. 6. The man upgrade, your mindset shift. Consequence: you can fix your skin, your jaw, your eyes, but if your mind stays soft, none of it matters. Most men want shortcuts, but men who build themselves understand one truth. Every rep, every night of discipline is carving your Godface. Simple fix. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing progress. Every decision you make, what you eat, how you sleep, how you carry yourself, either adds or subtracts from your masculine frame. Cue powerful transformation montage visual. This isn't just about looks. It's about becoming the man your reflection respects. You just learned the 6 hidden aesthetic shifts that separate boys from men. If this helped you, hit subscribe, because the next video breaks down the full Godface blueprint. And check the links below for every tool I personally recommend to level up faster. Your transformation starts now.